Alright guys, for those who are going to want to watch this recording, some plugin stopped and my recording completely stopped on Ustream. And as you noticed in Breakers, I bumped out of Breakers too. Should be back and good. Waiting to get the thumbs up in the Breakers room that I'm good before we get moving forward. Alright. Base auto coming. One we have not seen. Ifo Ekpre Olomu. Base auto. Die cut Peyton Manning. Yeah, we're doubling up some, but at least it's a color and a base, right? And not two base of the same guy. I don't mind that as much because at least to me that makes sense. Gold, then Koyak. Blue, Dominic Brown for the Bucks. No Sean Moreno. Ice. Auto coming. Quarterback, Sean Mannion. I believe that's Rams. I believe Sean Mannion's Rams. Feel free to correct me if that's wrong. On the number 4. All right, we got to see some bigger names. We're a little light on big names right now. We've seen a lot of color, which is nice. But now it's time to move on to some big names, too. See if we can match up a big name with the color. There's a blue auto. For the Jaguars, 23 out of 99, Dante Fowler blue auto. Nice card. Gold, Drew Brees. Gold, Titus Davis for the Chargers. Ty Montgomery for the Packers. Phil Rivers, die cut. Well, at least we got a top 5 pick matched up with some color right there. Unfortunately, he's out for the year. But Melvin Gordon, Silver Ice for the Chargers. There's our second Terrace West jersey of the night for the Browns. Blue, David Johnson for the Cardinals. And Kelvin Benjamin die cut. Yeah, Dante Fowler's a beast. Base auto coming. P.J. Williams. Blue, Carl Davis for the Ravens. Malcolm Brown for the Patriots. P.J. Williams is Saints. Base auto coming. Javorius Allen, base auto. We are light on the big names so far. That is true. Johnny Manziel die cut. Gold, RG3, a 75 for the Redskins. The good news is we still have 24 more autos coming. 24 more autos to find a big boy, or a few big boys, hopefully. Devontae Parker Gold for the Dolphins. Blue Alex Carter for the Lions. Andrew Luck Ice. Out of 12, nice! Brian S. struck gold with the Steelers in both breaks. Antonio Brown die cut auto out of 25. Brian, where are you, man? Very nice. 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 Guys, if there's anybody that's in the break that doesn't want any particular cards, let me know. I didn't actually look at the sheet and know if this is base cards or not, so we'll check that out. Base auto coming. Cameron Artist Payne. I believe that's Panthers. I believe. Base auto. Yes, it is, because there's his orange. And Matt Stafford die cut. Was Artist Payne the Auburn running back? Is that right? Looks like do we have two more autos here? No, we don't. Denzel Perryman for the Chargers. Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins. Arian Foster die cut. Base auto. Senquez Golson. Seen him before in the last break. Still not on our big name hunting right now. It's kind of tough to complain if they're pulling that Antonio Brown. Speaking of low numbered, there is a red wave auto coming. Red wave auto coming. Ben Koyak. Jersey out of 25 for the Texans, DeAndre Hopkins. This is where a big name would really pay off. Number 12 out of 25. Is that who I think it is? Sure is. For the Lions, Amir Abdullah, 12 out of 25. Very nice card. And for the Eagles, Darren Sproles out of 50. Thanks, Justin. I'll keep my eyes open for them. I'll be going back through all these, so if I miss it for any reason, I'm sure I'll find it. Blue, Eric Armstead for the Niners. Derek Carr die cut. Wow, that's two very uneventful packs back to back. After these two packs, we will be halfway through. Melvin Gordon out of $3.99 for the Chargers. Carlos Williams. And boom! There's our big name we were looking for the Rams. Gurley. Yahtzee. There he is. I was shocked that the Rams were still sitting there available last night. I couldn't believe it.
But when you started that band, it became a six-string electric babe magnet. The truth is, your possessions aren't just things. Visit amfam.com and find out how renter's insurance can protect the stuff of your dreams. American Family Insurance. Insure carefully. Dream fearlessly. American Family Insurance Company.
It's nice. Here we go. Silver Ice, Drace Anderson. Jersey out of 99, Cody Latimer. I feel like we've had a lot of parallel jerseys in this case already. We have the same guy that I thought was Bryce Petty last time, and it's still not. Shane Carden, base auto. Or Shane Carden. Keep thinking that's Bryce. Brandon Bridge, gold. Brennan Sheriff, blue. Michael Floyd, die cut. Daniel Hunter, blue. Terrence McGee, orange. Eddie Lacy, die cut. Carden is the Bears from East Carolina. No, is it East Carolina he came from? I think it's East Carolina. Auto. David Johnson, running back. David Cobb, gold. Artis Payne, gold. Ice, Julius Thomas for the Jags. Mike Wallace, die cut. Orange, Torrey Smith for the Niners out of 50. Mini auto coming. We got another low-numbered one? Nope. Is that Mike Davis? Nope. Malcolm Brown. What's up, Brian? You're killing it, man. That is Brian, the owner of the Steelers, who is killing these breaks. You are killing it. Max Williams for the Ravens. Jeff Hireman for the Broncos. Base auto coming. Devontae Davis. Base auto. I'm going to need a team here. Under Armour auto out of 272. Andres Pete. I don't know if he wants me to say. Brian, do you want me to say out loud what you got? All right. I won't. Do you want me to tell you what you got, or do you want to wait? Anybody have a team on Andres Pete? Pete is the Saints. All right. I won't tell you. I will not tell you. Got it. Not saying it. They asked me in the other room what you hit in case one, and I'm not telling them. Not saying it out loud. Eric Armstead, red, out of 99. Colin Kaepernick for the Niners. Base auto coming our way. Trey McBride, wide receiver. Isn't it kind of nice watching the break later knowing that you did well? I think it really broken up into 3 videos though. My recording flat out stopped in the middle of this case. Senquez Golston, ice for the Steelers. Cam Newton jersey for the Panthers. Cody Pruitt for the Titans. And there's our guy. My God. We pulled like 12 of his parallels. Reggie Wayne. I'm not even going to say his name anymore. This pisses me off. Base auto coming again. Dorial Green Beckham for the Titans. First time we've seen him tonight. Nice card. Another base auto coming. Eddie Goldman. I do not have a team on Eddie Goldman. I know how that is, Brian. I've noticed the same thing. A gold auto coming our way? No. I thought it was, but I guess it's not. Eddie Goldman for the Bears. Jesse James for the Steelers. Matt Forte for the Bears. DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys. Yeah, I try to, Justin. Some of it depends on how long I'm on as well, but I hear you. Orange auto incoming. Blue, Brett Hundley. Silver Ice, Matt Stafford. Let's slow roll our orange auto. Numbered 8 out of 50. Is that who I think it is? Nope, it is not who I thought it was. David Johnson, 8 out of 50. That is the Cardinals. Unfortunately, going to the wrong team. That one is going to the house. Base auto coming at you. Oh, it's not a base auto. It is an auto numbered 2 out of 5. And I think I know who that is just by looking at the color of the jersey. Yep, sure is. 2 out of 5. Devin Smith, Prism Auto. Our second auto out of 5 in this case. Wow. Boom! Going out to Mike B. The same man who hit the Jameis Winston. The same man who hit the Mariota. The New York Jets. Man, Mike B, you are going to love the package in the mail that you get from me, sir. I know you're not here watching, but I'm going to say it anyway. Matt Jones ice. Andrew Luck jersey for the Colts. I think, oh man, Oscar, the first case was fantastic. I think they both have been good. First case, we had a Jameis base auto, and we had a Mariota 1-of-1 plate auto amongst what I thought 2 or 3 other nice color autos. P.J. Williams for the Saints. Le'Veon Bell. Auto, Danny Shelton. I believe that's Browns. Base auto. Julius Thomas gold, 75 for the Jags. Yes, Danny Shelton is Browns. Here we go. Eric Armstead for the Niners. Alvin Dupree out of 99 for the Steelers. Base auto, Austin Hill. Got one of those orange ices coming. For the Ravens, Terrence McGee out of 50. 48 out of 50. Justin Hardy blue. Silver ice, Dennis Pitta. Die cut Calvin Johnson. Blue, Darren Sproles out of 99. Auto. Wow. Deontay Greenberry. Never heard of him before. Base auto. Blue. Matt Jones for the Redskins. Antoine Goodley for the Cowboys. That is box 8. Greenberry is the Cowboys. Yeah, that is my next job when we're done. Go in and sort out the autos and team them all out in Sharpie on the back of the top loader so I know what's going where. So blue auto coming our way. I believe we got blue auto and a base auto here in the first stack. We do. Ben Koyak, base auto for the Jaguars. Let's try to roll this one here. Come on. Be a monster. Out of 99. Looks like a running back. Is that Amir again? Nope. Devontae Parker blue auto. Boom! Nice card. 14 out of 99 for the Dolphins. Julius Thomas blue out of 99. It's funny, I can tell the second I open the pack which one's got the jersey in it. Yeah, a lot of teams are getting their value tonight. There's no doubt about that. Nick O'Leary, red, 199. There's Andrus Pete for the Saints. Jarvis Landry, die cut. Alvin Dupree, ice. And RG3, jersey for the Skins. Rashad Green, blue. Paul Dawson for the Bengals. And Colin Kaepernick. Base auto coming. Paul Dawson for the Bengals. Just pulled his red. Base auto. 4 packs plus 1 box to go. Kikaha for the Saints. Javorius Allen for the Ravens. Aaron Rodgers, die cut. T.J. Yeldon, goal. Ice, Giovanni Bernard. Looks like a lineman. Eric Flowers, base auto. All right, guys, I'm thinking on the last box, we'll save all the autos until the end. That's what I'm thinking. Hopefully you guys don't have any problem with that. We will save the autos to the end. Wow, the packaging on this last box was like super duper duper flimsy on the box. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. All right, so if we get an auto pack, I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to throw it up top. Non-auto pack. Auto pack. Non-auto pack. Blue, Eddie Goldman for the Bears. AJ Green die cut. Die cut Torrey Smith. Orange Giovanni Bernard out of 50 for the Bengals. And that pack felt super thin. I want to match this up next to another pack. All right, let's see this. Yeah, it's definitely thin. It's only a couple cards thin, but it feels so thin. Is that an auto pack? Auto pack. Red, Jalen Strong. Ice, Colin Kaepernick. Tony Lippett blue. And out of 99, Jeremy Hill blue die cut. All right, so this last pack should be an auto pack. It is. Landon Collins for the Giants. Marcus Mariota for the Titans. Ice, Titus Davis. There's a nice jersey out of 99 for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. All right, on to our last auto. Sorry. Here we go. Auto. There's our guy. We got 3 of him this case. Drace Anderson. How about that? Get you some Drace. Base auto. Malcolm Brown, the running back. Come on. See a big name out of these last 2. Come on. Be at least one big name out of the 2. Clive Walford. It's not going to be you. Jesse James. I do believe that's a Steeler, though, isn't it? For Brian. Doesn't look like it's going to be you either, unfortunately. Mr. Kiaha. We doubled up on him, too. Doug Martin blue foil out of 99 for the Bucks. Not a bad case, guys. Not a bad case. Well, thank you, everybody who joined. It is greatly appreciated. I'm going to go ahead and get this video saved here real fast. I'll be right back.